Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. This is your teacher, Mrs. Numena Zahid from the Academy of Sciences. So in this lesson, we are going to study and understand about biology. This lesson I'm designing or recording particularly at the request from class 9 students because they want to study about biology, the introduction to biology. And in this session, we are going to study what biology is and what are its divisions. And in the lesson, which I'm going to prepare for the next part, that will cover the branches of biology. Okay. So in this lesson, let's begin up. We are going to study with the next part, which is what is biology? Okay. So here, first, we need to know what biology is and how can we define biology. So when we define biology as the term, biology is indicating that it consists of two parts. Bio means life and logy means to study. Okay. So biology is defined as the study of life. What is biology? Biology is the study of life, or we can say that biology is the study of living organisms. Now, what are different types of living organisms found on Earth? As we know that the Earth is the only planet discovered till yet which contains life, where the life exists due to the existence of water. So all living organisms and the life actually depends on water, and all living organisms are made of water. So biology is the branch of science which deals with the study of living organisms and all the related things related to living organisms, about their environment, about their internal functioning mechanisms, about their external features, about their genes, about their makeup. Whatever we are going to study about living organisms is actually studied under the branch of biology, and biology is related to life sciences. Okay. So when we're going to study about living organisms and when we talk about biology, biology has three main divisions. And what are these three main divisions? These three main divisions are to be described next. First, let's find out there are three main categories of living organisms. What are three main categories of living organisms? Plants, animals, and the third is microorganisms. Okay, so these are the three main categories of living organisms into which living organisms have been broadly categorized. So all my dear and beloved students, do you know in which branch of biology or under which division of biology do we study plants? Exactly, yes. We study plants under the division of biology, which is called botany. And we study about animals under the division of biology, which is called zoology. And microorganisms are studied under the division of microbiology. All right. So we have divided living organisms into these three main categories. Now, these are the three main divisions of biology, that is botany, zoology, and microbiology. But there are so many branches of biology. Let's discuss a few branches here. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the branches of biology, and here we will just get familiarize ourselves. Like number one, for example, if you are going to study the external features of a living organism, okay? So if you are studying study of external features of a living organism, that is a separate branch, okay? Similarly, the study of internal structure of a living organism, that is a separate branch. If you study about the function functions of different parts of living organisms. That is a separate branch. Okay. Similarly, if you study about the basic structural framework, about the structure, about the cell, which is the structural and functional unit of life, then that branch is having a different name. If you are studying about the tissues of living organisms, it is called something else. When we talk about the relationship of living organisms with their non-living environment, relationship of living organisms with non-living environment, this branch has a different name. So all these aspects are actually covered under different branches of biology. Let's have a look. If we are studying the external features of any living organism, that branch is called morphology. When we study about internal structure of any organism, that is called anatomy. When we study the functions of different parts of living organisms, that is called physiology. If you study about the cells, it is called cytology. Histology is the study of tissues of living organisms. And the relationship of living organisms with non-living environment is called ecology. Similarly, we have many other branches like embryology, the study of developmental sciences. It is related to developmental sciences, the study of development of an embryo, development of any living organism. We are also studying the chemistry of life under the branch biochemistry. Taxonomy is a branch of biology which deals with the classification of living organisms, their naming and their classification according to their structures, their features, the grouping of living organisms, giving them proper scientific names. Another is paleontology. This is the study of living fossils, okay? And we have another branch which is called genetics. Genetics is the branch of biology which deals with the study of genes, DNA, and all related things. We have molecular biology, in which we study about the biological molecules. So there are so many vast branches of biology which we are going to discuss in the next lesson. I hope you are able to understand what is biology and you are able to define biology as the branch of science which deals with the study of living organisms. And there are so many branches of biology, but there are three main divisions. Number one, zoology. Number two, botany. And number three, microbiology. Under the division of zoology, we study about animals. And under the division of botany, we study about plants. Under the division of microbiology, we study about living organisms. So let's discuss the branches of biology in the next lesson. Thank you.